Hello there, Chuck. Welcome to a day that's about to get a whole lot tastier. Are you ready for a kitchen adventure that's bursting with flavor, fun, and a little bit of fiery excitement? Today we're rolling up our sleeves to make a chicken Bhuna, one with a fiery kick that'll wake up your taste buds and maybe even your neighbors. This isn't just any curry. It's the kind that makes your eyebrows dance, your ears tingle, and your heart beat a little faster with every bite. Spicy food is a dare, a thrill, and our Bhuna is the king of delicious danger. It's a dish for the bold, for those who love a bit of adventure on their plate. The heat brings out the best in every ingredient. Juicy tomatoes, aromatic spices, and tender chicken all come together, singing in perfect harmony. Think of it as a party in a pan, and you're the host, inviting all your favorite flavors to dance together. We'll start with simple things: onions, chicken, a handful of spices, and turn them into something extraordinary right in your own kitchen. The kitchen is our studio, the sizzling pan our stage, and every sizzle and pop is a brushstroke in our edible masterpiece. Watch as onions soften to golden sweetness, spices bloom in hot oil, and the whole house fills with mouth-watering aromas that promise something special. There might be a few tears from the onions, but that's all part of the fun. Every great curry has a story, and a few laughs along the way. As the sauce thickens and the flavors deepen, you'll see the magic happen right before your eyes. Give it a taste, adjust the heat, and make it your own. By the end, you'll have a masterpiece. A steaming bowl of spicy chicken Bhuna, ready to impress anyone lucky enough to share it. It's homemade, honest, and sure to make you proud. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating something so delicious from scratch. So, don your apron, grab your trusty wooden spoon, and get ready to cook up a storm. The adventure awaits. Our stomachs are rumbling and the kitchen is calling. Let's get started and make this a grand day out for a curry. Why chicken Bhuna? What makes this dish stand out among the endless choices at your local curry house? There's something about the Bhuna that keeps people coming back for more, time and time again. It's a classic, a true curry house favorite. The Bhuna is the dish that always seems to appear on every menu, and for good reason. It's comforting, familiar, and absolutely delicious. Bhuna means to be fried. Spices are fried to unlock their deepest flavors. This technique is what gives the Bhuna its signature aroma and taste, filling the kitchen with a mouth-watering scent that's impossible to resist. The chicken cooks in a thick, hearty sauce that clings to every bite. Unlike some curries that are swimming in gravy, the Bhuna's sauce is rich and concentrated, coating the meat in layers of flavor. No cream or coconut here, just a clever blend of spices, onions, and tomatoes. The Bhuna relies on the natural sweetness of onions and the tang of tomatoes, balanced by a medley of spices that create a symphony of taste. Simple ingredients, cooked patiently, become something special. It's a dish that rewards patience, as the flavors deepen and meld together the longer it simmers. The Bhuna's magic is in its honest rustic texture, thick, not soupy. Every bite is packed with substance, making it a truly satisfying meal. Each spoonful is a perfect mix of tender meat and rich, spicy gravy. The chicken is juicy, the sauce is bold, and together they create a harmony that's hard to beat. It's a dish that invites you to roll up your sleeves and dig in. There's no need for fancy cutlery or etiquette, just hearty hands-on eating that brings people together. Versatile too, mild, medium, or, as today, mind-bogglingly hot. The Bhuna can be tailored to suit any palate, from those who like a gentle warmth to those who crave a fiery kick. Adjust the spices to your liking. It's a personal dish. Whether you prefer a subtle blend or a punchy, robust flavor, the Bhuna is all about making it your own. Our version is for the brave, the adventurous, the spice thrill seekers. If you love a challenge and want to test your taste buds, this Bhuna is your ticket to a flavor adventure. We're turning the heat up to 11, transforming a comforting classic into an exhilarating experience. This isn't just dinner, it's a journey for your senses, a celebration of boldness. It's still the Bhuna you love, just with a fiery spirit. The heart and soul of the dish remain, but now it's got an extra spark that makes it unforgettable. So, ready to spice things up? Gather your ingredients, summon your courage, and prepare for a curry that's as bold as you are. Let's get started on this bold, unforgettable curry. With every step, you'll discover new depths of flavor and a story in every bite. The Bhuna adventure begins now. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Every great curry starts with the right ingredients. For our spicy chicken bhuna, gather 500 g of chicken breast or thigh, chopped into bite-sized pieces. Next, chilies, 6 to 8 green, plus a couple of red for extra fire, and a spoonful of red chili powder. 2 large onions and 2 juicy tomatoes form the base. Add a thumb-sized piece each of garlic and ginger for depth. A green pepper, chopped, brings crunch and freshness. Now the spiced in ground cumin, coriander, turmeric and garam masala. Turmeric gives that golden hue, garam masala adds a final flourish. Don't forget salt and vegetable oil. Lay everything out, mise en place is key. With your ingredients ready, you can focus on the fun cooking. The colors and aromas promise deliciousness ahead. Check your list, prep your station and let's begin. The adventure's first step awaits. Ready? Let's cook. First up, onions. Chop 2 large ones. Yes, there may be tears. Heat oil in a heavy pan, then add the onions. Listen for that sizzle. Fry slowly, stirring until soft and golden, about 10 minutes. While they cook, finely chop or crush garlic and ginger. Add them to the pan once the onions are golden, stirring for a minute or 2. The kitchen will smell incredible. Now slice your green chilies, seeds in for extra heat. Toss them in with the onions, garlic and ginger. Let them fry briefly, releasing their fiery spirit. The sweet onion aroma now has a spicy kick. This is the foundation of our bhuna. The stage is set for the main event. The base is built and the adventure heats up. Ready for the next step? Let's keep going, flavor awaits. The bhuna journey continues. Onward! Time for the Spice Symphony. This is where the magic truly begins, as each spice brings its own unique note to the orchestra of flavors. Imagine the air shimmering with anticipation, every jar waiting to be opened and unleashed. Lower the heat, don't burn the spices. Gentle heat is key here, coaxing out the best from each ingredient without letting them turn bitter or harsh. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 of cumin and 2 of coriander. These are the foundation of our masala, each one adding depth, earthiness and a hint of warmth. And don't forget a generous teaspoon, or even 2, of red chili powder. This is what gives the dish its signature kick and vibrant color, so adjust to your taste. Stir as the spices hit the oil, releasing their aroma and turning the mixture a deep, rich color. The sizzling sound is your cue that the flavors are waking up, swirling together in the pan. This is your masala, a thick, fragrant paste that's the soul of countless curries. Take a moment to appreciate its golden brown hue and intoxicating scent. Fry for a minute or 2 to deepen the flavors. Now add chopped tomatoes. Their natural acidity will balance the spices and help create a luscious sauce. Stir them in. They'll break down and add tangy moisture. Watch as the tomatoes melt into the masala, thickening and enriching the sauce. If it's too dry, splash in a little water. This helps everything blend smoothly and prevents sticking, ensuring a silky texture. Let it cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Patience here lets the flavors mingle and deepen, transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. The oil will separate from the masala. Your sauce base is ready. This is the sign of a well-cooked masala, glossy and inviting. The kitchen smells like a spice temple. Every corner is filled with the promise of a delicious meal, and the anticipation is almost as good as the taste. The bhuna sauce is born, thick, glossy, and full of promise. It's the heart of the dish, ready to embrace whatever comes next. Ready for the star ingredient? The moment of transformation is here. The curry's heart is about to beat. The sauce is alive with flavor, waiting for its companion. Let's bring in the chicken. Each piece will soak up the masala, becoming tender and packed with taste. Onward to the main event. The stage is set, and the bhuna is ready to shine. The sauce is ready. Time for the chicken. Add your chicken pieces, stirring to coat them in the masala. The chicken takes on the rich color of the sauce. Turn up the heat and fry for a few minutes to seal in the juices. This step infuses the chicken with flavor from the start. Every piece becomes part of the bhuna's story. Keep stirring. Don't let anything stick. Once the chicken is no longer pink, add chopped green pepper for color and crunch. Stir it in, then add half a cup of water for steam. Pop a lid on the pan. Now, patience. The chicken needs time to become tender and soak up all those flavors. The final act of cooking begins. The bhuna is coming together. Soon it will be ready to serve. Let's simmer to perfection. The masterpiece is nearly complete. With the lid on, magic happens. Simmer gently for 15-20 minutes. No frantic boiling. The sauce thickens, the chicken becomes tender, and flavors meld. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. The house fills with mouth-watering curry aroma. When the sauce clings to the chicken and oil glistens on top, it's perfect. Time for the final flourish. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir gently and cook for 1 more minute. The aroma is irresistible. Your spicy chicken bhuna is complete. A bubbling, fragrant masterpiece. It's a work of art, ready to be devoured. The wait is over. The bhuna is calling. Let's serve it up. Time to eat. The cooking's done. The kitchen smells heavenly. Turn off the heat and admire your creation, deep, rich and glistening. Serve with fluffy basmati rice, a perfect neutral canvas. Spoon a generous portion of rice onto a plate, making a well in the center. Fill it with your chicken bhuna, letting the thick sauce cascade over the rice. The contrast of dark curry and white rice is beautiful. Sprinkle with fresh coriander for a burst of color and freshness. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. The colors, the aroma, the steam, it's irresistible. This is more than a meal. It's the result of a creative adventure. You've chopped, stirred, and simmered your way to something special. Well done. The bhuna is ready to impress. Gather round and dig in. Enjoy every spicy, satisfying bite. You've earned it. Before you dive in, a word of warning. This isn't your average bhuna. We've created a spicy masterpiece that packs a punch. The heat builds with every bite. Nose running, forehead sweating, tongue tingling. This dish is for the adventurous, the spice champions. If you're sensitive to heat, keep yogurt handy. Water won't help. The fire is part of the fun, amplifying all the other flavors. Beneath the heat, you'll taste sweet onions, tangy tomatoes, earthy cumin, and fragrant garam masala. It's a complex, deeply satisfying dish. The challenge is worth it. Ready for a culinary adventure that tests your limits? Gather your ingredients, don your apron, and embrace the heat. It's a show-stopping curry that will impress and delight. Go on, give it a go. What's the worst that could happen? Cracking curry, grommet?